India's foreign policy refers to the strategies and principles that guide how the country interacts with other nations and international organizations. It is designed to protect national interests, ensure security, and promote economic and global cooperation. Prithvi, key features of India's foreign policy. 1. Non-alignment. India follows the principle of non-alignment, which began during the Cold War. Instead of joining any major power bloc, India maintains independence in decision-making. This policy was strongly promoted by Jawaharlal Nehru. 2. Panchsheel principles. India promotes peaceful coexistence through the Panchsheel Agreement, signed with China in 1954. The 5 principles include mutual respect for sovereignty, non-aggression, non-interference, equality, peaceful coexistence. 3. Peace and cooperation. India believes in resolving disputes through dialogue rather than war and actively supports global peace efforts through organizations like the United Nations. 4. Strategic autonomy. India makes independent decisions based on its national interest, even while maintaining relations with major powers like the United States, Russia, and China. 5. Neighborhood first policy. India gives priority to relations with neighboring countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka to ensure regional stability. 6. Act East policy. India aims to strengthen economic and strategic ties with Southeast Asian countries like Japan, Vietnam, and South Korea. 7. Economic diplomacy. India focuses on trade, investment, and globalization. It is an active member of organizations like World Trade Organization, BRICS, G20. Bullseye objectives of India's foreign policy. Protect national security, promote economic growth, maintain global peace, strengthen international relations, support developing countries. Pushpin conclusion. India's foreign policy is based on peace, independence, and cooperation. It balances relations with powerful countries while focusing on regional